Good morning, students. Welcome back. In previous class, we have written answer the following questions. Today, we will be completing question number 2 of comprehension. Take your textbooks and open page number 11 of your book. कौन सा पेज नंबर ओपन करना है? पेज नंबर 11 of your workbook. So, as I have said you, we will write question number 1 and 2 in our English CW book. So हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कंप्लीट कर लिया. टुडे वी विल राइट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इन अवर इंग्लिश CW बुक. You can see here we have completed our answer the following. Now come to question number 2. Read the given extracts. It means this one. Read the given extracts and answer the questions with reference to the context. We will read this context and accordingly we will answer this question 1 and 2. Let's start. What do you have? Question A. He turned off the light and sat in the chair, while Morgan snuggled into bed. The room was dark and Paul could hear the ticking of the clock downstairs. Now, in this extract, we have seen that Paul, he came to the Morgan's room and he was sitting there. So, Paul kahan बैठा था? In Morgan's room. And Morgan, she went to sleep. Now, your question is, was Morgan's room on the upper floor of the house? Cite evidence from the text to support your answer. क्या दिया है क्वेश्चन में? क्या मॉर्गन का रूम अपर वाले फ्लोर पर था? And if yes, then we have to write one evidence. We have to write one sentence from the extract which will indicate कि मॉर्गन का रूम सच्ची में ऊपर वाली फ्लोर पे था. And second, why was Paul sitting in Morgan's room? Why was Paul was sitting? That we have to write the answer. So this we will write in our CW book. Students, you can see I had written the first starting words and the last words of the extract. लेकिन आपको ये पूरा extract लिखना है. Now come to the next page. On the next page I had written answers. So what was the first question? Was Morgan's room on the upper floor of the house? And write one evidence. So you will write the answer. Yes, Morgan's room was on upper floor of the house. So what you have written कि Morgan का room ऊपर वाली floor पे था, on the upper floor. Now how we will indicate or how we will prove the sentence कि ये सच्ची में था, कैसे prove करेंगे? So you have to write here evidence. क्या लिखना है? Evidence. कैसे? हमारा extract में क्या लिखा था? The room was dark and Paul could hear the ticking of the clock downstairs. क्या लिखा था? कि room was dark and Paul could hear the ticking of the clock downstairs. इसका मतलब घड़ी कहाँ पर है? Clock कहाँ पर है? नीचे वाले फ्लोर पे. And Paul can hear its ticking. उसकी टिक टिक की घड़ी की वॉइस कहाँ पे सुन सकता था वो? ऊपर मॉर्गन के रूम में. So this line indicates or this line proves that the Morgan's room was on the upper floor. Understood how to write? Now come to second question. Why was Paul sitting in Morgan's room? What was the reason? क्यों बैठा था Paul? Because he wanted to see if the ghost come back. So Morgan was saying that there's a ghost in her room. That's why Paul was sitting in Morgan's room so that he can see the ghost whether it is coming back or not. So you will write the answer because he wanted to see if the ghost came back. Now come to second extract B number 2. Paul hurried and dashed inside a cocoon. So मैंने वापस start और end के words लिखे. You have to write the full sentence. Come back to your textbook page number 11. Okay, you have second extract B. Let's read it out. Paul hurried to Morgan's room the next morning to investigate. So Paul ने क्या किया? दूसरे दिन morning में he just ran to Morgan's room because he wanted to investigate. He wanted to examine. Her bedroom looked normal in the morning sun. उसका room कैसा था? It was normal. He scrutinized the bookcase where the whispering sound had come from. Nothing looked out of place. On the shelves were rows of books and a jar filled with sticks and leaves where Morgan's caterpillar was sleeping inside a cocoon. So what is written in the extract? Paul, very firstly on the next morning Paul कहाँ गया? Into the Morgan's room to investigate. And secondly, everything was normal, everything was on its proper place. And what was the extra thing in the Morgan's room? There was a jar, एक ऐसी bottle थी, in that sticks and leaves were there and it was a Morgan's caterpillar. Understood the extract, students? हमने पैराग्राफ को समझ लिया. Now what are the questions given? What did Paul want to investigate? और सेकंड क्या है? Why was the jar filled with sticks and leaves? Come back to your answer. Just turn this page. So what was the first question? What did Paul want to investigate? Paul को क्या investigate करना था? He want to investigate what was causing the whispering sound that Morgan was so scared of. What he wanted to investigate? Paul wanted to investigate कि ये whispering sound कहाँ से आ रहा था मॉर्गन के रूम में, and what was making so scared. मॉर्गन को कौन इतना डरा रहा था? These things Paul want to investigate. So what you will write the answer? You will write Paul wanted to investigate what was causing the whispering sound that Morgan was so scared of. Understood? Now come to question number 2. Why was the jar filled with sticks and leaves? Yes, हमने पढ़ा था कि मॉर्गन के रूम में एक जार है जिसमें स्टिक्स और लीव्स थे. But why? Your answer is the jar was filled with sticks and leaves to house the caterpillar. किसके लिए रखा था सब कुछ? Caterpillar के लिए. So students, you have to write extract from the textbook. आपको दोनों extract कहाँ से लिखना है? From your textbook, page number 11. From the page number 11 of your textbook. Okay? And in the same way, you have to write the given questions and answers. Okay? Complete this page number 11 of your English workbook, question number 2 in your English CW book. Okay? Bye bye.